Here's how you can stop someone from calling you without blocking them. So let's say some person is disturbing you and calling you again and again, but you don't want to block them as there are some kind of emergencies happen sometimes, so you don't want to completely block and cut off the communication, but you don't want to hear them for a while. So the step is you have to open up your settings and tap on focus. Once you are in the focus mode, tap on plus icon on the top right and go for this custom which is on the top. After that you have to name whatever you want to go with and tap on next button on the bottom. Now go for this customize focus, and now here is the main part. You have to simply tap on this people and tap on add button right here. Select the particular person and tap on done on the top right. Now we have to select this silence notification from just like that and tap on done on the top right. Now once you are done, as you can see, the particular person has been added in our focus mode, and I will not going to receive any notification from this particular person. Now if you want to remove them, you just have to tap on this and tap on this minus button and you are good to go. So that was the process of how you can stop someone from calling you without blocking them.